Hello, my name is Nicolas Rodriguez. I am 23 years old. I live in Bogota in the Canada neighborhood. I am currently studying public accounting. Some of my hobbies are riding a bicycle, playing video games, traveling again. I have the opportunity out for a motorcycle ride and listening to music. Among the main activities in my daily routine are taking a shower, having breakfast, warming up the motorcycle, studying and finally having dinner. In addition, on Sundays, my family and I go to a park for a walk and eat ice cream. That's a little bit about me and my daily life. Thank you for listening.